Emolysis is a platform that enables investors to make well-informed decisions by closely monitoring events, evaluating ESG performance, and assessing risk controversies. Corporate ESG reports summarize the qualitative and quantitative benefits of a company's ESG activities. Investors screen investments, align them to their values, and avoid companies with the risk of environmental damage, social missteps, or corruption. This investigation currently involves substantial expenses and research time to conduct data and analyze non-financial factors, aiming to generate alpha and effectively mitigate risks. Today, financial institutions deal with 4 major challenges with respect to ESG. Number 1. Data. The world of ESG is highly unstructured by nature. Black box ESG ratings offer limited transparency. Number 2. Subjectivity. Due to manual work of individuals, ESG financial analysis leads to subjective reports. Number 3. Costs. There is extensive research done with high costs and time spent in order to perform fundamental and technical analysis to manage risks. And number 4. Market coverage. There is a lack of coverage for the private sector that leads to high costs to procure and analyze peer data. All of that makes ESG a data and AI challenge. Emolysis solves this problem by applying AI to quantify the unquantifiable and compare organizations in a much more data-driven way than a subjective score, in a way that feeds into many use cases down the line, such as quantitative finance and responsible investing, reputational risk assessment, detection of greenwashing, and many more. We apply the solution on news analytics and social media to bridge the gap and create a holistic view of ESG analytics that you can trust and act upon. We utilize artificial intelligence to help businesses extract valuable information from the internet. With our state-of-the-art natural language processing model, we analyze over 30 billion news articles. This enables us to offer essential insights in areas such as ESG, reputational risks, and thematic analytics. Our target customers are investment banks, private equity firms, asset managers, index providers, and multinational corporations. Emolysis extracts PDF documents, extracts each and every single sentence, every single initiative, and it applies natural language processing to understand what those statements mean, with themes such as diversity and inclusion, code of conduct, green energy, and many more. Later, we apply the solution on news analytics and social media to bridge the gap and create a holistic view of ESG analytics that you can trust and act upon. We deliver those insights through seamless integration into your workflows and platform via API, by accessing our end-to-end web application or notifications. With the walk-the-talk analysis, we apply our cutting-edge machine learning models to 30 billion news articles in real time to understand not only what a company is saying, but also what a company does. With the portfolio management feature, you can pack single companies into specific baskets, view the overall ESG performance, compare organizations side by side, and execute risk calculations for each portfolio. With news analysis as a proxy, we provide you with a framework to extract each and every single article across environment, social, and governance. Bring that real-time view of ESG instead of waiting for year-long CSR disclosures. This can be applied for every business, large or medium companies, financial services, or healthcare. It will help you understand the influence one business's ESG negative or positive practices have on another in an interconnected global market. Moreover, we provide you with dedicated value at risk calculation, looking at this from a reputational risk perspective. In Emolysis, you can execute risk assessment for each portfolio with ESG insights tied to it. So it is no longer about how good a company looks, but also how performant it is. We are combining all into one platform, reducing your time to insight and enabling you to fetch critical info only with 2 clicks. To understand how much a company says about environment, social, and governance, versus how much a company does across each of those complicated ESG policies, it informs you in real time about news events that may positively or negatively affect the ESG of every single company, and in turn, the impact it may have on market performance. Ready to get started on ESG analytics? Click on the link in the description below, or get in touch with our sales team for a demo.